What's up, Royal Squad? It's your girl Key Nada and I'm coming at you with another video. So let's get into this video. Alright, before we get into this video, as you can see, I still got the fro hawk going on. And I dyed it. I didn't do anything to it. Today is literally just the afro and everything. But I do believe I'm going to cut it because I want it all to grow out even. I'm gonna cut it, but I ain't do nothing to it yet today. I am probably after this video, I'm probably gonna do something. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, so that's not what this video is about. Today's video is gonna be inventory unboxing video. So let's get straight into this video. I ain't prepared today in this video. And so we got the scissors, you know what I'm saying? And this is the package that it came in. So let's get to it. Wait, hold up. Let me see if I get a thumbnail. Alright. Yeah, so let's open it all up. Alright, so I asked my vendor to send my lashes in the tray to preserve, to try to cut down on shipping. So we're gonna see. What did they do? Did they listen? Or no? Alright, so they got it nice and wrapped and bubble wrapped, you know what I'm saying? I'm thinking about, should I have these wholesale and the other ones? Because I'm gonna have, these are the 25mm standard mink lashes. I'll have premium ones as well, 25mm premium lashes. And I'm gonna have the regular 3D mink lashes as well. So yeah, but right now I got a 25mm because that's what's hot. But I know I still have my sisters that like the natural eyelashes, which is like the 3D mink lashes. I like these preferably. I like the 25mm. I do like the naturals sometimes, but I can go for that 25. I want you to know that I got my lashes on. I want you to know that I'm about to fly away. Okay, I'm about to fly away. Period, boo. Period. Like. Okay, so let's get into it. So we got this right here. Got the lash boxes on the site. If you don't know, I don't have my lash boxes with me right now. I'm gonna go get one of them, and give me 1 second, and I'll show you what they look like. So I brought the small package box of them. Cause I still got a whole lot more, but I just brought this. I got some in this box and I got some in a bigger box, but so this is what it looks like. If you go on my website, raweleganceempire.com, you will see that I have all different types of colorways and styles in this style box. I'm gonna have also different kind of boxes as well. I'm gonna take this out for the ones that don't know what my boxes look like. If you do and you just want to see the unboxing, you can go ahead and fast forward to that part. But this is it. As you can see, it's good quality. You can pull it. It has a screw in the inside, and this is what it looks like. It's more like a perfume bottle. It's like elegant, you know what I'm saying? If you're going for that elegant look, this is what it looks like. So yeah, that's that. I'm gonna put that back into the wrapper. I have like a lot more in my other box, but yeah, this is like 10. So if you get like 10, I believe these is like 10 in here. So if you get like 10, this is about how much you'll have in the box. It won't come in this box though, but yeah. So anyway, let's get into this video. All right, so we already cut her open. So let's switch y'all back a little bit. All right, so boom. I hope this angle is good, y'all. Y'all don't need to see my whole head. Like, y'all ain't really. Let me see. Yeah, that's good. Alright. So, it looks like a plastic bag. All right, and then they had this. It wasn't taped or nothing, it was just like this, but it's good because it's all in here. All right, so boom. I'm gonna show you, I guess I'll show you all of them. So we have these. I haven't named them yet, but I am gonna do a video where y'all name them with me. We have these, these will be sold separately, but I'm thinking about selling the whole case. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, I told my vendor to send it in these to cut down on shipping. So I have these. I took it out the clear thing, but we have these. All right, again, I haven't named them yet. We have two of each. We have two of these. We have, oops, I don't know if y'all can see that, but we have these. We have these. And no, they're not the same. I know they look the same, but they're not like at all. Hold on, let me look at them. Yeah, these are more sparingly out. The other ones are more wispy. So if you look at them, these are more spread out. See, and these are more wispy in the middle. There's no spaces in like the middle is more wispy. Y'all can see that, but yeah. And yes, sis, woo, I'm about to be rocking these. And the lashes is gonna be going for, it's probably gonna be between $12 to $15 or so right now. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, $14.99 or like $11.99, something like that. And did I show y'all these? Yeah, I showed y'all these, so let's see that one. Showed you these. Sorry y'all, I got multiple of the same ones. And these is the same ones that I showed you too, I believe. Yeah, see, these is the same ones as the other one. I showed you these already. The thick ones. These is one of my favorites, sis. I'm gonna show y'all these again because these are one of my favorites and they feel soft, good. So far, so good, y'all. Once I make sure everything is good with my vendor, I'm gonna wholesale the lashes as well. So don't worry, sis. And I'm gonna wholesale them like this. So you can either sell them like this or you can sell them individually wrapped. This one almost flew away, man. The packaging, they don't be caring. They don't be caring about the packaging and the UPS, man. They don't be caring. They don't be caring. They just be throwing your stuff all over the place, man. That's the thing I don't like. But anyway, but it's okay. My lashes is good. Those are not messed up or whatever. They're good. My vendor tried their best to keep them in this, so you know that's supposed to keep it. But that's that. Okay, so. And I got these. These are nice too. I love these. I love all of them, y'all, obviously. But yeah. Those are them. And I think I only ordered one of them because I wanted to try them out. I didn't know how I was gonna like them, but in person, I love them, so I'm gonna order some more of those. But I want to see how they do, you know. And these are royalty. I already have a name for these, because I already had these. I tested them out and everything before I reordered from the vendor. But these are gonna be called royalty. I wanted to make sure I liked it when I got it in person, which I do, which I really do. I love it, so. Yeah. If y'all wondering why I'm going like this, because Y'all see the glare from the ring light? That's why I could hold it back here, but y'all can't see it back there. So yeah, so that is that. So now what I'm gonna do is put some of the lashes in the box so y'all can see it. I might actually do a whole nother video on that, but to be honest, I'm glad my vendor was nice enough to put the lashes in these boxes, because just so y'all can see, I'm gonna put one of them in the box. I might do a separate video of me putting them in the boxes depending on how I decide to do it. Let's see, this is 1, 2, which is 2 a piece, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I have 8 different lash styles currently. So yeah, but let me go ahead and put one of them in the lash box, wherever I did with the other one. I'll put it back in the box, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all. So this is them. I haven't named these yet, but these are these ones right here. So see, these are them. Oops, hold on. Okay. Let me turn the light down so y'all can see it better. Hold on, y'all. All right, so again, these will be on the site, and these will be between, because you know I got the luxury box and everything like that, so it's gonna be between $12 to $15 probably. I'm not mistaken. All of these will probably be 15, and this one, oops, will probably be 12. So yeah, I hope y'all like this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video, and comment down below which one of you were your favorites. The first one, second one, third one, which out of the styles, the 8 styles, which one was your favorite? I know they don't have names yet. Only one I told you was Royalty, and that's this one, which is Royalty. So yeah, but yeah, guys, I love y'all, and have a great day and the rest of your day, and let's go get this money, girl bosses, period. Let's go.